Hello, I'm your friend Nisha. Welcome to my new another video. So my friend, I'm hoping my friend, my old friend are doing great, fantastic, learning this language, improving, becoming better every single day. So as you can also see how I am feeling this time, I think one reason, weather is so cloudy and wind is blowing so cool, so weather is in favor of me and I'm feeling so great. So my friend, as you can see behind me, this is gram crops, like you can see here, which we have harvested. And why I am showing you, so I want to give you some message, okay, that is really important. If you are English learner, if you are making, you know plan, yeah, if you are thinking for learning this language or not also, then this is important for everybody. So my friend, you can see there is huge bundle we have made, okay, and harvested from our farm. So my friend, I want to tell you, if you want to learn English, then start with small, like this crop. See, the bundle I showed you, you saw we haven't harvested all at one time. No, we harvested, little by little, little by little, okay, little by little, like this, okay, and then it became a huge bundle, big bundle. So similarly, my friend, if you are planning, you want, you have desire for learning this language, so I'm telling you, start with a small. Start with a small activity like listening, 2 minute, 5 minute. If you can't do 5 minute, do 2 minute. Learn one word, learn one daily uses sentences, daily uses word. And in this way, my friend, you can also do reading, reading one paragraph, reading two line. So these are, a small activity, and if you start with it and be consistent, so my friend, you can also make huge difference in your growth, in your improvement. You can also make huge, big growth improvement in you. Why I'm telling you start with a small? Because see, being a beginner, in excitement, in motivation, one day, 2 day, third day, we do a lot, we can do a lot, 1 hour, more than that, okay, but not stay, not be consistent with that. It's very important to be consistent, be persistent, and that we don't do. But if you follow, a strategy, some strategy which is according to yourself, you can do easily, that is comfortable for you, and you are excited, that much you have to take, so you can do every day with consistency and persistence, and that will make you huge different, huge growth in you. So if you start learning one word, one sentences, listening 2 minutes, reading one paragraph, giving your 5 minutes every single day for this language, so my friend, it will be easy for you, easy, comfortable, and you will be excited to do it. Why? Because you have to give only 5 minutes, so you can do it comfortably, and you can also be consistent, because it is easy for you, it is piece of cake for you. And this little activity with consistency, will make big difference in your growth, in improvement. So rather than going for hour and hour, doing for some days and then give up, it's better to follow this way to start your journey. And I am telling, if you want to learn or not, but this is the important for everybody. English, knowing English is important for everybody. It is, if you know and learn it, so somewhere it is going to help you in your future, in your career. Yeah, for communicating the people, know them, their culture and all. Anyhow it is going to help you, so if you want or not, but I will tell you, give your 5 minutes. You give for a scrolling reels, shorts video and waste your hour and hour. So why not to give at least your 5 minutes for learning something which is going to serve you, which is going to, you know add value in your life, in your career. So why not to do? And only you have to give 5 minutes every single day, so you must give. So my friend, if you want or not, I will tell for both people, just give, just give. Just think it is going to add value in your life, in your career, in your future, and then do. You also waste your time, so just give your 5 minutes for adding value and for learning something. So in this way you can do a small activity and be consistent, and that consistency, a small start, a small activity will lead you to make huge difference, huge growth in your improvement, in your, life, in your growth. So my friend, start doing it with a small, so that you can be consistent and excited to do it every single day. And one more important thing, whatever you will learn through listening, through learning words, sentences, definitely use them in your speaking. If you use them in actual manner, you will, you know get the benefit of that. But if you are learning new words, sentences, listening and knowing every day, new words, sentences, but you are not using in your speaking, then that is worthless. So if you learn any word, then start using that word, that sentence in your speaking. In this way you should start. So my friend, I hope you like way of starting the journey of learning speaking English, learning English with 5 minutes, with a small. So if you, then don't wait, start your journey from today and words, and give your 5 minutes, add value in your life, learn something. So I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.